Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a good day to everyone. So my name is Muhammad Irfan Izzuddin and today I will present you about the EIS Module 3, which is how to perform geostatistical analysis. So before that, what is geostatistical analysis? So let's see. So, geostatistical analysis can be defined as a class of statistics that is applied to analyze and estimate the values that related with spatial or spatio-temporal phenomena. So, it comprises of the spatial and, in some cases, temporal coordinates of the data within the analysis. So, many geostatistical tools were originally developed as a practical means to explain the spatial patterns and interpolate values for location where the sample were not taken. So after this, I will show you about how to perform geostatistical analysis in the ArcMap, which is comprised of the two significant steps, which is how to transfer the data Excel into the ArcMap and how to perform geostatistical analysis. Okay, now I will show you on how to perform geostatistical analysis, which is we focus on the first step on how to transfer the data Excel to the ArcMap. So now I will show you. So firstly, we drag the daerah, and now it will show the district of Selangor in the layers. Okay, now we click the Arc toolbox. I now click conversion tool, which consists of Excel, and then we click Excel to table because we want to take the data Excel to be transferred into the table of contents. Now we select the input Excel file. So I stored in the desktop because it will ease me to trace the file. Select data module 3, and then we select data ground 1 July 2015. Okay, click OK. It will take time. Now the data ground was appeared. Now we right click on the data ground. So display XY data. Now it will show XYZ field, which is show as a coordinate. So we change from N to E, and then we click OK. And now the red dot, the dot is appeared, which is represent the significant station in the district of Selangor, which is it show the cities, the some important city in Selangor. So because in this geostatistical analysis, we want to analyze the concentration of the PM10 in some places, which represent to the station. And now we click to the data, and then export data. So we browse the file, and then we change the name PM10. Okay, we maintain the shapefile and save. And now the data was appear. So we remove, and this is the significant layers that we will use to the next step on how to perform geostatistical analysis. And now I will show you on how to apply both data PM10 and the era to be used in geostatistical analysis. So first, we click customize, we click extension. So make sure the geostatistical analysis and structural analysis is selected. And then we click customize again, toolbar, and then we click on the geostatistical analysis. So it will show here. And then we click the geostatistical wizard. And there is many methods to determine the data, but I will choose the inverse distance weighting. And then we click data field to PM10, then click next, next, and finish. So it will show the field contour, but it does not merge with the district, right? So we click the right click on the layers, then we click on the properties. So make sure we click to other specific outline feature. Make sure the layer is the daerah. Okay, and we click to shape. And then we specify the shape. Outline feature, make sure maintain to the daerah. Then we click OK. And then we can apply. And now it will merge to the district. Alright. Then we right click on the properties. We will get that distance rating. And then we extend to the daerah. Now the field contour is fully filled in the entire district of the Selangor. And now we click the PM10. We go to the properties. So make sure we click on the station, right? And then we go to the PM10 again. Then we label the feature. So it will show the Kuala Selangor, Shah Alam, Petaling Jaya, Pelabuhan Kelang, and Banting. Okay. And then we go to the geostatistical wizard again. So we choose the geostatistical method on engine. And then the data field we choose to the PM10. Then we click next. Then the engine type we choose to the ordinary. Next. Next. And finish. Right, the engine type is also appeared, but it does not fully merge into the entire map. Then we click on the properties. We extend to the daerah. Then we click apply. And now the engine type of the geostatistical analysis is shown in the map. So as we can see, the concentration is in the PM10 in Kuala Selangor, Pelabuhan Kelang and Banting is higher than the Shah Alam and Petaling Jaya. This is because the economic sector is more on the Kuala Selangor, Pelabuhan Kelang and Banting. Also the frequent transportation also higher in the that can influence the increase of the PM10. Okay, from what I show to you on how to perform geostatistical analysis by using the ArcMap. So there are some methods that I obtained from the module 3 on how to use geostatistical analysis. So the first thing uh, is the inverse distance rating, which is a quick deterministic interpolator that is exact. So there are some decision to make regarding the model parameter. It can be the best way to take a first look at the interpolated surface. But there is no assessment of the prediction error, and IDW can produce a bullseye around the data locations, but there also no assumption needed for the data. And then the second one is the radial basis function RBF, which is moderately quick deterministic interpolators that are Z. So they are much more flexible than IDW, but there are no parameter decision. So there also are no assessment of prediction error, and the method provide the prediction surface that are comparable to the exact form of fringing. The RBF also does not serve you to investigate the autocorrelation of the data and make less flexible and more automatic than fringing. And RBF also no assumption about the data. So I hope you can understand the uh, entire information that I give from this video. So with that, thank you.